Welcome again, students. Today we are going to continue chapter function of management and coordination. Okay. In last video, I have already discussed about meaning of management and function of management, planning and organizing function. Okay. In this video, we will discuss about remain three function of the management, that is staffing, directing and controlling. Planning and organizing in previous video I have already discussed. In this video we will be discuss about directing, controlling and staffing function of the managements. Okay, so let's start with staffing function of the management. Meaning of staffing: the managerial function of staffing involves meaning the organizational structure through proper and effective selection. Through proper and effective selection, appraisal and development of personnel to fill the role designed into the structure. Means, if we talk about simple words, the meaning of staffing is that to fill the empty position in the organization, the proper selection. Okay, in simple word, if we talk about staffing, so staffing is they fill the empty position of the organization through proper selection of a person who gives the exact information of that position. It should be the right person for that position. Okay, it should be the right person for that position. Means, whichever person we are selecting, whichever person we are selecting for that post, he should be qualified accordingly. Means, whichever person we are selecting for that post, he should qualified accordingly to qualification of that post. Okay. For example, suppose we are appointing a sales manager. Then we will see this thing in that person, whether he has the quality that this sales manager should have. Okay, suppose we appointing a sales manager, then we will see this thing in that person, whether he has the quality that the sales manager have. Okay, in short, we can say that staffing is all about appointing the right person at the right position, at the right qualification, at the right time. Okay, in short, staffing is the all about appointing the right person, right position, right qualification at right time. Okay, now we will move on next function of the management, that is the directing. Let's start with meaning. Directing is the part of the management process which actuate the members of the organization to work efficiently and effectively for the attainment of the desired objectives. Okay, directing is the part of management process which actuates the members of the organizations to work efficiently and effectively for the attainment of the desired objective. Okay, so see one definition. Direction consists of the process and technique utilized in issuing instruction and make certain operation are carried out as planned. So directing is the one directing is one of the most important function of the management. Out of the five function: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, one of the most important function of the five functions in the directing the superior authority tell to his subordinate authority to subordinate what to do and how to do the job assigned to that employee. Means superior inform या superior tell to his subordinate uh, what to do and how to do the job assigned to that employee, yeah, that subordinate. Okay, so whatever objectives we have set in the planning, so whatever objective we set in the planning, we can accomplish then them only within the right direction. In short we can say that if directing is right, in short we can say that if the directing is right, then the business will achieve the goal determined in the planning function. And if directing is not proper, then it will be difficult to achieve the business goals. Okay, this is the very very important key. If directing is the right, then the business will achieve the goals determined in the planning function. And if the directing is not proper, then it will be difficult to achieve the goal of business. Okay, now let us move last function of the management, that is controlling. Okay, controlling function of the management. See meaning: controlling is the process of measuring performance, comparing it with the standard and taking corrective action whatever necessary. Controlling is the process of measuring performance, comparing it with the standard, actual performance comparing with standards, and taking corrective action. After that, taking corrective actions whatever is necessary. So basically, controlling means comparing the actual performance with standard performance, and if there is any deviations or variation occur, then taking correct action for reduce it or eliminate this difference, yeah, this variance, yeah, deviations. Okay, so that the variation has can be eliminated or reduced. Okay, in simple we can say that in controlling, it is to find that why this variation has come. Okay, Basically, in simple, we can say that controlling is the process in which find out why the variation has come for and what we should do to eliminate or reduce it. Okay.